sit right down while I sing our song. If you like lyrics, then you can sing along. Clap your hands and pat your feet until it's time to go. We hope you all enjoy the Bird and I Show. We'd like to welcome you to the Bird and I Show.
I'm Bird.
I'm I. And this is Bird, I, and special guest. So we got a new guest tonight. You know, I've told everybody that we was going to have a guest on the show. So tonight, special guest is Mr. Rick Danner. Rick's playing bass tonight, and I've played with Rick for a good several years, and I tell you what, he's a mighty fine bass player. He'll hold that rhythm. I guarantee you out there, before you know it, you're going to be patting both feet. Not one, but both of them. They're all going to go. So what's tonight's show? It's a original bluegrass numbers.
It's just some bluegrass. That's all it is.
Yeah. Just bluegrass. Good old bluegrass. Well, we got a fiddle over there. Look, we got Charlie back, ladies.
I drug me in again.
He's still single.
Still
single.
Again.
He tripped. We was all trying to get in the door, and Charlie busted through us like we were old tin cans to get in here. I'm telling you, the rough one was old folks, wasn't he?
Yeah. Well, I tell you, old Jason, he's on the phone. He didn't know what hit him when I came in. I mean, he's just,
I know. He's like, whoa, look out.
I'm a wanted man. Most of the time. Sometimes it ain't good, sometimes it's okay.
Yeah.
I'm a wanted man most of the time.
Alrighty, well, I tell you what, we're going to do a number for you right here that I'm sure everybody's heard. It's an old Bill Monroe number. You know, we got a fiddle player now, so we're going to utilize these Bill. Here we
Yeah.
Let me tell you what, Bert, mighty fine job. Mighty fine job filling over there. I tell you what, guys, I missed that bass. I tell you what, that's up. I was over here, I couldn't stand still. Tuning in. All you got to do, just remember, guys, you've got to
Subscribe.
and click like on that thing. Help us out. We're trying to grow this channel. We're just a bunch of guys jamming. I mean, having fun. That's all this is about. And just spreading our music, you know. And hopefully you're enjoying it out there. And if you see something you like, man, let us know. If you got a song, again, send it to us. Either way, you can send it. Click comments here on the YouTube channel or on Facebook. We appreciate it. We're going to do another number here. This number's been done by a little bit about everybody. So, I guarantee you, y'all know it and y'all can sing along out there. Y'all ready? Well, tonight I'm alone without my you. And there's one still. All I have to do is sit alone in our little cabin home on the hill. Oh, someone take that from me and let me here alone. Just listen to the rain, it all out of the way. I'll just keep it there so I won't be alone. Our little cabin home on the hill. Oh, someone take that from me and let me here alone. Just listen to the rain, it all might be okay. In our little cabin home on the hill. Can't be bluegrass without a cabin song. You know,
There's a bunch of them.
there's a bunch of them cabin songs. I like every one.
More cabins than there is breakfast.
What about a little bit of instrumental?
Yeah.
Let's wear this thing out. Ready?
a little warm in here.
Yeah.
Oh, listen, guys, again, we appreciate everybody taking time out of their day and out of their schedule to tune in to us on the Bird and I Show. We ask you just go ahead and click that like button or click that subscribe button. It's free. If you click that like button, I tell you what I'll do. I'll get Charlie over here to make you a tomato sandwich. Hey, listen, I bet you that button's clicking already. I can hear it clicking from here, Charlie.
Problem is, we're gonna find tomatoes.
Oh, we get some
I'll get
tomatoes.
some at the grocery store later.
$3.20.
Sure. Them things will be awful thin at that price.
Hey, I guarantee you, we can get the most expensive sandwich in the world. We can get some tomatoes and get some eggs.
Yeah.
Them eggs is high. I mean, I'm telling you.
I like fried tomatoes. I like fried egg with tomato. That's pretty good. Yes, sir. Party's over, guys. Out in the cold world, far away from home, some boys wandering all alone. No one to guide him, keep his footsteps right. Some boys home tonight. Oh, bring back to me my little one home. There ain't no other left in the door. Tell him his mother, maybe she's in there. She said we hold on, wait for the Oh, out in the hallway stands a baby chair and old pair of shoes that one we wear. Empty is the cradle, the one we left so well. Oh, how it gets him, don't tuck it every day. Oh, bring it back to me, my little wonderful. There is no other left in the world. Tell him his mother plays kids in there. She's at the old hall waiting for him there. Well, search till you find him, bring him back to me. Far, far away, wherever he may be. Tell him his mother ain't she's at the old home waiting for him there. Oh, bring him back to me, my little boy. There is no other left in the world. Tell him his mother will take she's there. She's at the old home waiting for him there. She's at the old home waiting for him there. Oh, son.
That's all we got for you this time, y'all. So,
Yes, sir. We appreciate you tuning in. So,
hell yeah.
hope you all enjoy the Bird and I Show. Oh, guys, the next time,
I'm Bird.
I'm out.
Who's Bird and I?
We're the
This Charlie.
And the friends.
This right here. Rick Cameron on the bass, guys. And back here behind,
I'm Bird.
Papa Bird. Whatever we call him. Thank you.